Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering the iPhone off and removing the SIM tray so you can work safely. Once done, heat the lower edge for about 10-15 seconds to soften adhesive. This prevents display cracking. You then apply a suction handle and thin picks to lift the screen carefully, opening the device like a book. Disconnect the battery immediately to avoid short circuits and trigger locks. Make sure to wear an ESD strap and sort screws into a labeled tray so reassembly will be exact. You now remove the metal shield covering the display and true depth connectors. Keep the tiny screws separate. Once exposed, gently unplug the display assembly and the true depth flex connectors because damaged connections are the most common cause. Visually inspect the flex cable, front camera, flood illuminator, and sensors for tears, debris, or corrosion. These cause errors. If available, swap with a known good replacement module to isolate whether the sensor assembly or logic board is at fault. You finish by installing the replacement true depth module or performing the flex repair, aligning connectors and applying firm, even pressure to seat them properly. Once reassembled enough to power up, reconnect the battery and boot the phone, then go through Face ID enrollment and the diagnostics app to confirm operation. If Face ID still fails, suspect logic board faults, check traces and component solder joints, or refer to board-level repair. One troubleshooting tip. If intermittent, recheck connector cleanliness and alignment before further teardown.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.